Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create passkey in Bingx. So here's the easy workaround on how you can easily create or set up your passkey in Bingx. So the first thing to do is make sure you log into your account, or if you're on the website, log into your account using your browser. Then tap your profile icon or go to the account settings and select Security Center. Then from there, you have to find the passkey option and tap Set Up. Then choose your device passkey method, which is fingerprint or face recognition, or you can even set a device pin. Then from there, follow the on-screen prompt to register your passkey, and once saved, your key will be linked to your Bingx account. So test it by logging out and signing back in using your passkey, and that's how you can easily create or set up your passkey in Bingx. If you find the video helpful, give it a turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.